It's super easy to play drums. Hi, my name is Joyson, your drum instructor from Music Pandit. Today I'm going to show you how you can use one single beat to play a lot of songs. The beat that I'm going to use is So now let me show you an example with the songs. What I just did is I played one beat and experimented with a lot of songs. If you want to learn more beats and if you want to be a complete drummer, check out my lessons on www.musicpandit.com. Please do like, share and subscribe to get more contents like this.